When I see the relationships between peoples were fragmented, I want to do something about it. I started telling them I want to weave a social fabric. It's a different level of a government security blanket. It's before that. We can, as a group, as a neighbors, as a friend, we can help each other as a social network.
其實佢哋都聯繫咗唔同嘅社群，讓我更加感受到其實愛憐心就係一個咁多元、咁包容嘅一個群體當中，即係不論係視障嘅朋友啊、年輕嘅媽媽啊，或者係智障嘅朋友啊等等咧，其實大家都係可以喺同一個平台入面去發揮自己咁樣咯。
So I started a sewing class because that's what I know. Sewing class is easy to get mothers involved. It's easier for them to understand. So I started with sewing. To get the men involved, I asked them to give me the ties that they don't need. And I recycle them and make into products. So both men and female are connected through neckties. And from there, we can connect other associations, other groups, and other districts.
其實愛憐心佢係做好多聯繫工作，佢個名係即係取名取得好好，佢係用愛去彼此之間聯繫，心連心，我係真係感受到嘅。
Through the years, we build layers of collaborations. We originate ideas and we invite people to come be part of the party. And sometimes we think we are giving, but actually we are receiving. And then from the events of the volunteers, I think they walk away receiving more than they thought they were giving.
It's not easy for our graduates to find jobs, so we have to create our own opportunities. Our CEDA workshop was commissioned to build and supply over 100 laser design lanterns for the Hong Kong Centre's Cantonese opera series. So it was used on stage. So that to us is a very big thing, and provides hope and opportunities for our alumni that they can be independent and they've got fulfilling roles.
join 咗之後，咁同埋經阿 Margaret 啊、Ivy 啊佢哋凌師傅啊佢哋嘅鼓勵啊、幫助啊咁樣咧，俾到真係俾到信心自己，可以去作為一個導師去教其他嘅媽媽咁樣咯。
上帝嘅愛彰顯喺愛憐心呢一個機構裏邊，然後將呢一份嘅愛傳遞到嚟學校，由學校嘅家長將呢一份愛憐心去到香港社會每一個角落，送到去有需要嘅人身上。
即係我好感受到愛憐心係一個好開放啦、好接納啦、好多元性嘅。
信望愛裏邊最重要係愛咯。
If I had to describe one word for the attitudes, I would say love. It's because of the love in their hearts that they set out on this mission to connect all of us.
And we connect people who want to receive love. It could be different forms of needs. It could be just anybody needs love. And anyone can give love. So I think we connect that.